Check out this 5 camping tents that you can get right now. Links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe and clicking that bell for more.
The Rocky Mountain 5 Plus XL is an easy-to-pitch tunnel tent with an extended porch to provide plenty of space for the whole family, with full head height throughout the tent and generous-sized living and sleeping areas for comfort. The living area combined with the extended porch ensures that you'll have ample space for family meals and activities, even under changing weather conditions. The porch provides shelter from rain on entry and exit and is a great space for storing muddy boots and camping essentials. A full-height door with an ingenious drop-down section completely flattens the front entrance for easy access, especially for those with buggies and wheelchairs, and helps prevent the family from tripping. Thanks to our revolutionary blackout bedrooms, you and your family will get a great night's sleep. Blocking up to 99% of daylight, you're guaranteed a longer, more restful sleep, whatever time you choose to go to bed or get up in the morning. Coleman's blackout bedrooms also help to maintain a comfortable internal temperature, keeping the tent's bedrooms up to 5 degrees cooler during the day and up to 1 degree warmer at night. The removable divider in the bedroom offers maximum sleeping flexibility, allowing you to quickly convert it from 2 rooms to 1 extra-large bedroom. Large PVC windows with covers in the living area offer the ultimate balance of light and privacy. Color-coded fiberglass poles provide an optimum mix of strength and weight, and the mesh pole sleeves guarantee smooth and easy pole insertion, as well as reducing wind resistance for a more aerodynamic structure and less wind noise. Heavy rain is no match for the polyester flysheet, which has a hydrostatic head of 4,500 mm, as well as tape seams to keep you dry. The addition of Coleman's UV Guard with an SPF 50 will protect your family from the sun's ultraviolet rays, and the tent's fabric are also fire retardant. Coleman provides extra security thanks to the zipper stoppers on the tent doors, making sure the zips are always within easy reach in the event of an emergency, even for children. A zip and mesh ventilation panel at the rear allows you to manage the level of airflow through the tent, reducing the risk of condensation and maintaining a comfortable interior temperature. The tough polyethylene integrated ground sheet has welded seams to ensure a dry and bug-free interior, while the doors feature ultra-fine mesh to keep even the smallest bugs at bay. Plenty of practical storage pockets make it easy to keep the tent tidy and organized, while the handy summit loops allow you to hang lighting. The power cord vent allows you to run power inside the tent to operate some extra home comforts. The Rocky Mountain simple tunnel construction allows for an extremely quick and effortless setup in approximately 15 minutes. Remove the tent from the bag and lay out, pegging the 4 corners loosely to anchor. Assemble the color-coded fiberglass poles and insert them into the relevant mesh pole sleeves. Ensure the front door is open at this stage to help lift the tent. Starting at the front, lift and arc the tent pole and put the pin into each pole end. One at a time is easiest. Peg out the front guy line for support and continue to work back, arcing and securing all of the poles. Clip the fly sheet to the poles and make sure the doors are closed. Tension and peg down the tent, starting at the back and working to the front. Peg out the remaining adjustable and reflective guy lines, following the lines of the poles for correct positioning and pegging at 45 degrees for extra wind resistance. Set up the bedroom inside using the color-coded clips and toggles. The Rocky Mountain 5 Plus XL for comfortable and convenient family camping.
When you get the chance to get outdoors, make the most of it. Camp in confidence and comfort in a Kodiak Canvas Flexbow tent. Wherever you make camp, from the hot deserts to the frigid mountains, be it summer or winter, you can depend on a Kodiak Canvas tent to stand up to the elements. Setting up the Flexbow tent is quick and easy and can be done by just one person. The Flexbow tent has a sturdy frame made with 1-inch steel tubing and solid spring rods made with high tensile spring steel. All Kodiak Canvas tents use top-of-the-line materials and components. Our Flexbow tents are made with premium-grade HydraShield 100% cotton duck canvas. The tight weave and silicone finish make the canvas watertight yet breathable, minimizing condensation and mugginess. Unlike canvas tents of years past, our canvas will not wick water. Watertight and breathable means you stay more comfortable. This rugged tent will also hold up to strong winds and even snow loads. Seams are double-stitched and corners are reinforced for added strength. The high-quality zippers will withstand demanding use, and the floor is a heavy-duty, puncture-resistant 16-ounce vinyl that keeps water out. The solid steel 12-inch stakes are ideal for hard or even rocky ground. Not only are these tents well made, they're loaded with lots of great features. Large D-shaped doors front and back offer easy access, while the high ceilings and steep sidewalls provide stand-up, walk-around comfort. Large windows zip open or shut from the inside and allow one to really open the tent up. Funnel flow vents improve airflow and ventilation, helping with temperature management. Zip them open or shut. The gear loft makes a handy place to store items off the floor. It can be used in attic or sling mode, while pocket organizers are useful to store small items. A large awning not only provides shade, when it's stormy it provides a covered entry and also allows you to open the front windows without the worry of rain getting in. When it's time to go, nothing beats the strap and cinch storage bag. Just roll the tent up, then fold the bag around the tent and cinch it closed. The importance of a good shelter is often overlooked. It is one of the most crucial items of gear to ensure an enjoyable outing. If you're serious about the outdoors, isn't it time you had a serious tent?
Start your adventure with Gazelle tents. Our T-Hex hub tent features a unique 6-sided design that creates 123 square feet of space and stands 85 inches tall. Its spacious size can sleep a group of up to 7 people and provide plenty of room for extra gear. The oversized windows feature tight weave mesh and create a gazebo-like effect, allowing you to take in nearly 360 degrees of your view. The T-Hex hub tent comes pre-assembled and sets up and takes down in seconds with the use of hub technology. Take your tent from bag to base camp in under 90 seconds. And it's loaded with features like 15 tight weave mesh upper and lower windows allow ample ventilation while keeping pests out. A large main entrance and a second D-shaped door with tight weave mesh screens for easy load-in. Beefy YKK zippers for durability and dependable performance. Removable floors for easy cleanup. The fully assembled rainfly is a breeze to install. Plus, upgraded all-terrain stakes and guy lines are included to provide stability for when the weather gets choppy. A 300D rugged footprint for added floor protection. And an oversized water-resistant bag with sealed seams, external stake pouch, and a zipper cover. The shell is constructed with the coated 210 denier Oxford weave polyester, waterproof up to 2,000 millimeters. Floors of the T-Hex Overland Edition feature a bathtub design, constructed from a 300 denier Oxford weave with strength and durability in mind, and feature the same waterproof rating as the shell. The Gazelle T-Hex Overland Edition hub tent is the perfect shelter for your next expedition. Gazelle tents, built for adventure.
Welcome to OUTWELL. In this video, we're showing off the STARHILL 6A. The STARHILL 6A is a 4-room tunnel tent with 3 bedrooms and a living room. The STARHILL 6A is set up using the rigid air system with the pre-shaped air tubes. These air tubes are easily inflated or deflated at the valve located on one side of the tent. The material of the tent is our own OUTWELL 3000 Select, which is fire retardant and has a hydrostatic heading of 3000 millimeters. The guidelines on the tent are luminous, making them more visible at night, and they have also been fitted with reinforcement patches in these critical stress points. The front door of the STARHILL 6A features a large tinted window, which reduces glare from sunlight to make it more comfortable inside the tent. This window is also backed by a toggle-up curtain that can be used to adjust the amount of privacy you have inside the tent. This door has two zippers, which gives you the option to zip it off and tuck it to the side to allow for easy access and more ventilation into your tent. Inside the living room, you have two large windows, one on each side, along with two smaller windows at the front. All these windows are tinted to reduce the amount of glare you have from the sunlight. These windows are also backed by a toggle-up curtain that can be used to adjust the amount of privacy you have inside the tent. Underneath both of the large windows, you find a low vent that can be opened from the outside to allow for passive air to flow in and out of your tent. The tent also features the hook track system, which runs along the length of the air tubes that can be used to hang up small lights or store items and gear. The entire ground sheet is sewn in and made of 100% polyethylene, which means it's highly durable and water resistant. At the back of the inner tent, you find the 3 bedrooms. These are separated by 2 small dividers, one on each side of the main cabin. These dividers have 2 zippers, one on each side, that gives you the option to zip them up and tuck them away to customize your bedroom to fit your need. At the front of the inner tent, you find 2 storage pockets on each side, along with 3 additional inside the tent on each side. The front doors to the bedrooms all feature a small mesh window backed by a zip-up curtain that can be used to adjust the amount of airflow and privacy you have inside the bedroom. The bedrooms also feature the dark inners, which reduces light intake through the fabric. This allows for more comfortable sleep in early evenings and early mornings. At the back of the STARHILL tents, you have a door that can be opened in the middle. And right now it's zipped open and tucked to the side, held in place by 2 retainers. This leads into the inner tent, where you also have a door that can be opened up to allow for easy access and more ventilation in and out of your inner tent. The back of the inner tent also features a door that can be zipped opened or closed to allow for more ventilation and easy access in and out of your inner tent. This door features a large mesh panel backed by a zip-up curtain that can be used to adjust the amount of ventilation and privacy you have from the back. At the back of the inner tent, you also have 2 low vents that can be opened from the outside to allow for more air to flow in and out of your tent. Both the fly sheet and the inner tent feature cable entry points to allow for easy access to run cables in and out of your tent. The fly sheet is fully seam sealed to allow for maximum protection from the elements. The tent weighs 20.2 kilos and can be packed down to a pack size of 71 by 38 and 38 centimeters. It takes 8 minutes to pitch and 17 minutes to be ready for you to move in. That's all for the STARHILL 6A. Be sure to check out our other products and tents on OUTWELL.com. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Tim Beck.
And I'm Nate Mitka. We're with the North Face equipment team today to talk to you about the Wawona 4 and 6, updated for family and car camping.
I think it sounds a little weird.
Yeah, I know it does. You're right. I said it wrong.
Maybe I say updated.
We're with the North Face equipment team today to talk to you about the Wawona 4-person and 6-person 3-season car and family camping tents.
Recently updated for this year, the Wawona family is truly the most comfortable, fully featured family camping tent that we offer from the North Face. These tents are an absolute breeze to set up. The pole colors themselves match the pole sleeve color on the tent, so even under a headlamp, you know exactly where the poles go to help set up the tent very quickly. These tents are incredibly durable, especially for their size.
So the main difference between the Wawona 4 and 6 is capacity. The 4 is a 4-person, the 6 is 6-person, and with that Wawona 6, you get an additional, really spacious vestibule up front.
Fitting full queen-size inflatable air mattresses, the Wawona 4 and Wawona 6 can be incredibly luxurious camping experiences for a couple and your dog, who will have all their own space for their own bed as well.
So these tents offer a ton of interior living space thanks to really steep walls and a tall peak height that let you really stretch out inside the tent. So on the inside of the tent are a lot of different areas to store books, headlamps, maybe some water. You have pole clips on the top to attach a lantern and really make the inside of the tent that much more enjoyable.
Our goal was also to make them very versatile. You can see behind us here in the 6-person, the huge vestibule. If it's pouring rain, your family can still sit down and have dinner at a table or store all of your bikes outside of the rain. These fully waterproof tents have extra guy outlines so that you can truly batten down the hatches for a safe sheltering experience.
These tents offer a ton of venting options, from windows that you can roll up, doors that you can zip down with mesh coverings that really just improve the overall air circulation in the tents for a really enjoyable night.
Whether you're headed out camping with your family or out with some friends, the Wawona family offers so much comfort, convenience, and quality that it's truly hard to overlook. Ah, that sounds peaceful.
You did the 3 C's.
Yeah.